or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Out here in Sequim, Washington, on Govan Street and Fur. And the customers are very happy. Very happy. This polish and wax job. Did the roof on down. I gel coated the roof. I'm not going to climb back up there because I put the ladder in the trunk. But the roof has been restored because it was bad. And removed all the mold off of the roof and everything else. And as you can see, this looks great. Gel coat on all of the plastic and rubber. It's always buffed out. Look at it, it's nice and shiny now. It was oxidizing, and you know when it's oxidized, you can rub it and the black will come off of it. Not anymore. It has been sealed, including the tray. The tray has been sealed also too, because it was getting really bad. Took care of that, no problem. Always the wheel wells. Windshield wipers buffed out and restored fully. Plastic gel coated. All of the plastic is gel coated, including the awning fixture. It's got wax on it, so it doesn't deteriorate any further. These ends right here can take a beating from the sun. This is a beautiful van. They use this often. Quite often, almost every day. And it's got everything inside of it. They use it to go grocery shopping, and it's good for a disabled person because it's fully equipped. Pleasure Way is what it's called. The heater, air conditioner covering has been gel coated, so it doesn't deteriorate. All of the light fixtures have been. I had to use this, my favorite tool, on them because of the mold. We'd get the mold from around the edges of it. This tool is very handy on most of the motorhome. It's great for cracks and crevices. It's a must. I must use a toothbrush in order for me to be satisfied. That's for sure. And I'll be doing that one tomorrow. And as always, you guys have a great day.